In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your PS4 controller to iPad PUBG. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you have to make sure is that your iPad supports iOS 13 Plus. So for this, you go to Settings, go to General, and then click on About. Now here you can see the iPad version your iPad currently is. Now the latest one is about 17 point something, but if your is over 13, then you don't have to worry. But if it's lower 13 or under 13, then you have to go over to software update and make sure that you update it. Now, once that is done, then we get to the main thing of connecting our controller to our iPad. Now, this is how the connection works. You have to hold your PS button and the share button together until the light blinks white. And this is the light I'm talking about. So you hold those two buttons until this light blinks white. Now, once that light is blinking white, then that means that your controller is currently in Bluetooth pairing mode. So we're gonna then go over to settings, go to Bluetooth, and under the other devices option, you're gonna see something like DualShock 4 wireless controller. Just go ahead and pair it, and then the blinking white light is gonna turn into a solid light, and that indicates that your controller is connected to your iPad. Then you're just gonna launch PUBG Mobile, and you can go to settings, controller, and make sure that your controller is enabled, because sometimes it's not automatically enabled. Now then your controller should work for movement, aiming, shooting, and menus. And when you want, you can also change the keys. For example, you can change the settings. You can remap buttons in PUBG settings. You can see an option of controller layout, and there you can change the settings. For example, if you want to sit, crouch, shoot, run, you can change whatever keys you want. Now, a pro tip is that PUBG Mobile supports both touch and controller at the same time, so you can switch seamlessly if needed. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys